significant race is. But you're just a label of the system. What the fuck is more important? Losing sight of the truth or this life you were born in? Favoring the image while these artists using mumble rap and making these simulated statements is my jurisdiction. Cause faking doesn't exist in my interest, but learn through these lines of the many things I witness. When shit hits the roof, UAV living proof, make it known you're not alone with all the fucking things you go through. And I'm giving it up, stuck in this hell, ain't giving a fuck. Your bad habits, a backstab, and I interrupt.
I swear this until I'm dead. Corpses run my bed while my wipers give me head. Hell, raise the name, always feeding it for the flash. 666. Why you acting like a bitch? Oh shit. Snitches about to get split. I'm convinced that we the sickest in the shit. Sickle cell, oh well, man, I'm burning in hell. Get your tail if you fuck with us, you taking the L. Bringing it back to witches' nest where Vegas casting a spell. Test your luck if you fuck with us. I'll bring the ruckus. Bloody fucking compass pointing south to the dungeon.
That you pussies would stop returning, stop burning. Can't be picking up my earnings, I'm running terror. You squirming, can't releasing all my anger. Don't grin and bury, you worthless. You ain't nothing but a peon. You probably in debt. You keep on flashing all this money, cause you driving is wreck. And you can't keep on acting funny, cause you're calm as a bitch. You might go long for the shit. This is as far as you get. Don't fuck around with the kid. I fuck around with your bitch. Give me the crown, I run a town, king of the sound that I give. I make my rounds to your crib, so don't be clowning me, kid. I put you down like 6 feet ground with just a rhyme that I spit, bitch.